Today it's the 30th of July 2022. We have Pursimiehenkatu 7. And this is the only staircase.
Yeah.
In this residential building. It's here in Ruoriniemi. It's one of the suburbs of Lahti, Finland. The capacity is 4 persons, so 305 grams. 5 floors. It was put in 1996, but it's probably not early 1996 because the serial number is B1E2043, so it's later than some of these.
Yeah.
96. But that's a dark interior. The turn 25 is older than last year, 2021. Will be inspected in 2024, and deserves 2 rights. For ground floor, but I'm gonna make green. The lights we can turn on again. Can you turn them on, please?
Expected by Kevais, maintained by Cone.
Interesting sounds.
Yeah.
And light as well in here. That's it. Thank you very much for watching.
That's